Dolls, it's me, Allegra. Babes, I just got home from the P.O. box and can I just say there are no words. I need a new word. A word for beyond shook. Shooketh? But things really can change for the better, and I'm really totally in shock because I just dreamed for the longest time to meet nice people, meet nice friends, and now it's unbelievable. It truly is unbelievable. So let me just get right into it and show you guys. I can't control myself. I'm like wanting to open it with you guys. So I did open one package from Isha. So I gotta show you because it is just so unbelievable. But I think she sent me another package because, well, I don't want to get into it, but I know I didn't order anything from this particular store, and I think she sent me another package. So I gotta show you what she sent me though. So I'm just gonna get right into it and show you guys everything. It's crazy. So the first thing I gotta show you, babes, look what Isha sent me. I'm like, oh my god. But I did open it the other day. But babes, look at this. She sent me the most gorgeous bracelet. I was wanting to wait and open everything with you guys, so we're opening it together, but I couldn't wait. Well, I was surprised. I actually opened this because I didn't know. If I knew it was from you, I would have waited. But I didn't know. I was never expecting it. And I opened it up and I seen it was from Isha, and I was like, oh my god, guys, look at that. It's just, oh my god, it is so gorgeous. It's unbelievable. So thank you so much, Isha. I am so blown away, and for you to send me such an amazing, beautiful present, and on top of it, you're just the most awesome friend. Also, guys, she sent me this Tony Moly I'm Real mask. So thank you so much, Isha. I'm just so blown away. And there was also in the box with this like a sample of Elizabeth Arden and all these really nice cosmetics. So it was like a really nice cosmetics kind of gift pack that they put in there too. So I think she picked that out because it said something on the receipt, on the envelope, that it was a special gift thing that she had picked out. So guys, I'm gonna put Isha's Twitter and Instagram below because I know that she is not just an amazing friend to me, but she is so amazing to so many of you dolls. If you love to do giveaways and things like that, she is always giving her entries to other people, and you know, she'll say, give my entry to this doll. So she is just an amazing friend to so many of us. So definitely add her on Twitter, add her on Instagram, because she is an amazing friend and she just is so wonderful to everybody, not just me. So thank you so much again, Isha. So babes, I got a package from Rosie in Alaska. Everybody, a lot of you guys know Rosie, and she is just so freaking awesome. I can't even get into it. She is just so awesome. I can't even get into it. But I don't know what is in here, but she wrote fragile on the package. So, like, oh no, she didn't. Oh my god. Rosie, oh my god, this is so beautiful. Wow. Oh my god, guys. I never thought in a million years. I never thought she sent me a purse. Oh my god, thank you so much, Rosie. Do you guys see that? Oh my god, and it's like a crossbody denim. It feels like a very nice light material, so this is so perfect for this. Oh, it has like so you can wear it on your wrist. Oh my god, thank you so much, Rosie. Oh my god. Oh my god, she put stuff inside. Oh my gosh, wow. Oh my god, she sent these beautiful earrings, feather earrings. Oh my god, Rosie, you are amazing. Oh god, these are absolutely gorgeous. Oh my god, they have crystals on them. Rosie, these are so beautiful. Thrifters Rock, Palmer, Alaska. I can't wait to wear these. Oh my god, thank you so much, Rosie. Oh, and there's like a hair. Is this like you can do your hair and then put it over the ponytail? Is that how you do it? Oh my gosh, wow. Oh my god, it's carved out of wood. Oh my god, guys. Do you see how this is actually, I mean, I'm not exactly sure of the material, but it feels like it's carved out of wood. And then you can take it out and then put your ponytail, I guess, and then you kind of close it over. Oh my god, Rosie, thank you so much. I never was ever expecting in a million years. Oh my god, Rosie, thank you so much. That's so beautiful. And there's something else in here too from Rosie. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys, look at this. Oh, Alaskan girls don't retreat, they reload. This is so funny, Rosie. Oh my god, I'm gonna be wearing this very, very soon. And this is so funny. Thank you so much. I can't even begin to thank you. But I swear to god, I was talking to Rosie and one day, and I was just getting really depressed and really, you know, I was just having a really hard time. And because, you know, things had to come back and stuff from a long time ago. And she was like, no, Alaska girls, we don't mess around. And she just inspired me. And I said, you know what, I need to be like Rosie. I need to be like an Alaskan girl. I said, no. And I don't know how to say it, guys, but thank you so much, Rosie, with all my heart. This is all so crazy. Thank you so much. Oh my god, I couldn't be more grateful. So thoughtful and so beautiful. Thank you, Rosie. Oh my god, I can't wait to wear this. I'm gonna be wearing this very soon, doll. So I'm just gonna keep, I got something here, another package. Now, I don't know what this is, but they addressed it to Her Majesty. Alegra Chetty. I thought that was too funny. So I have no idea what it is though, so I don't know. I get scared, I'm not gonna lie. Sometimes you're like, but I'm sure it's, what the heck? 1 chunk of cardboard. Guys, this is crazy. What the heck is this? Guys, this is so weird. Look what this says. Nutrition facts. 1 serving size, 1 chunk of cardboard, calories 2, fat. Look at this. Like it's a piece of cardboard that somebody ate. Guys, I'm getting scared. I'm not gonna lie, because I had a crazy stalker, so I'm a little bit afraid. Anyway, oh my god, guys, this letter is crazy already. I'm scared. Look what it says. Guys, I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm not even joking. This is what it says, guys. It says, yo, you might be asking what the F is this piece of cardboard, but they didn't say F, they said the curse. Guys, that's scary. You see, I'm scared. I want to like wash my hands, because I'm not even joking, guys, but like I'm afraid. It's not a joke, you know, like what is that, you know what I mean? Like I'm not, just gross. Who knows? Imagine they actually spit on that cardboard, you know, and there's, oh my god, guys, I gotta go wash my hands or something. That was so disgusting. I don't even know what to, I don't even know if I should, I'll show you guys. I don't know, I should probably not even show you guys that, because it just ruined all my all the happiness that we were having. Whatever, I'm not gonna let them bring us down, right? So I'm gonna do what I always do, guys. I'm gonna go wash my hands, because I don't even know what that was on that, who would send such a disgusting letter. And I'm going to focus on good things. I'm going to focus on good things and go ahead and open it. I have more packages to open, so I'm going to go ahead and open them. And I'm not going to let that, you know, bring me down. So I'll be right back, guys. So I'm back. I washed my hands because, you know, I don't know, like, I don't even know. Whatever. Let's just go back to being happy, right? So guys, I got another package here. I don't know who this is from. It's from Macy's. So I didn't order anything from Macy's, so. Oh my god, guys. It's I think that's Anne Klein box. Let's see if it says, if this is from Isha, I'm not gonna believe it, guys. I'm just not gonna believe it. See, it says someone sent you a gift from Macy's, so. Love you so much. Hope you like this. Love, Isha. Oh my god, guys, look. Oh my god, Isha, you are so amazing. I can't believe this. Oh my god, it's wrapped up. It's wrapped up in wrapping. Oh my god. Oh my god. Benefit Glowing Downtown Highlighter. Oh my god, guys. Can you believe this? Oh my god. Thank you so much, Isha. In here you get the highlighter, 4 cult favorite highlighters. Oh my god. I can't wait. Oh my god. Thank you so much, Isha. Thank you so much. This is so beautiful. Oh my god. Look at the... Oh, I think I saw this in the store and I loved it, but I didn't get it. But I saw like this. It looks like it reminds me of a snow globe or a crystal ball. And I had seen this and I loved it, but I didn't, I didn't get it. Thank goodness, because Isha sent it. Oh my god, Isha. Thank you so much. Oh, it comes with a book, tips and tricks. And then all of these gorgeous highlighters inside. Oh my god, Isha, thank you. This is amazing. I can't wait to try it all. Oh, I want to try it right now. Girl, you sent this to the wrong person. You're going to see me walking outside glowing like... Guys, can you see it? I can't. Oh my god, thank you so much, Isha. Wow. I might look crazy, but I don't care. This is gorgeous. I just can't wait to put it on even as a decoration. Isn't that adorable? I'm in love with it. So thank you so much, Isha. Oh my gosh. And then there was something else. See, I think this must be from you too, because it just came separate. So guys, it's a beautiful Anne Klein, something Anne Klein. I can't... Oh my god, look at that. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. God, thank you. Look at how beautiful. Now I don't know which one to wear. But I don't know which one. I don't know what to wear first. I love everything. You babes are amazing. This is like so unreal. Oh my god, thank you, Isha. Oh my god. I just want to wear everything. I just want to put everything on right now. That shirt Rosie got me, I love that shirt. The earrings, the purse, I got my bracelets. I am just ready to go now, guys. Thank you so much, Isha. Thank you so much, Rosie. Oh, this is all just so amazing and wonderful to me to have just amazing girls like you and babes and sisters and friends like you guys in my life. Oh my god, thank you so much. So I'm gonna link Rosie's Instagram down below too, because she is on Instagram and she's also an amazing friend to us, to so many of us. So thank you again, guys. I love you guys so much and I'll see you soon. Bye. I love you.